So this is called a 3-bin wire composter, and you could certainly make your own bins out of various materials, but I really like this one because it comes in looking very uniform. It comes with these little clips right here so that you could make it 3 bins or 2 bins or 1 bin, whatever you currently have the room for in your garden. So you could have 3 different batches of compost currently cooking, or you could have, like mine right here, I have nothing in this one yet started. I've got a layer of my nitrogen material going here, and I'm getting ready to start a batch right here. And then this is an area where I've just been putting leaves I've been collecting out of my grass. So you can use them as like a hold for your carbon material so that when you're ready to use it, you've got it right here. And then you can just start layering it. So it's really nice because you can utilize it in so many different ways. So the procedure here is still the same. We want to shoot for an equal blend of nitrogen and carbon. So that means I'm going to go in with my layers, start with a nitrogen or green layer on the bottom, then go in with a carbon layer, and then repeat my layers until I get it, to the height I want it to be. And then I need to add a little bit of moisture. We want to shoot again for damp consistency, but not soggy. So you can see at the side of the bins how there's a lot of holes, which is really great for aeration and airflow in the pile, but that also means that I'm going to need to keep my eye on it for moisture a little bit closer. I live in a very dry climate, so that means I might have to come in and sprinkle it a little bit more often to keep that damp consistency. If you live in a really rainy climate, that might mean that you need to cover your pile so that it doesn't get really, really soggy and stay wet for too long.